Support on every screen. This video will teach you where to access all the quick guides and raise support cases directly from your iPad. In the header bar on every screen, you will see a question mark. To open help articles on the screen, simply tap on the question mark. If there are multiple help articles for the screen, they will appear in a list. Tap on the article you need and it will open in the app for you. You can navigate back to the list by tapping in the top left or close the help section by tapping on the area around the article. To access the complete knowledge base, tap on the cog icon in the top right of the dashboard. The very last field in the menu is Visit Inzant Support. Tapping on this will open a pop-up with two options: Knowledge Base and Submit a Ticket. Tapping on Knowledge Base will give you access to all the quick guides and video guides. Tapping on Submit a Ticket will open a form. Fill in the required fields and write a brief description of the issue you are having, including the screen you are on and the product or retailer you are looking at. It's also a good idea to add your phone number so we can reply to you quickly. To submit the ticket to the support team, tap Submit in the top right of the pop-up. From here, our team will contact you as quickly as we can to help resolve your issue.